looking at what's inside of a silly string can. We cleaned up from the previous video, and now we're doing this one.
Yay! Okay, so first you have to destroy the cap. Once you've done that, once you're done with that, you have to destroy that tiny little itty bitty cap. You just have to get it off halfway there. Come on! Never mind. Let's get on to destroying the silicon. So first you have to just get a good hit in. And
Now for the time lapse. Now we're gonna swap people because his arm was getting tired.
yeah.
Okay. Status update. It is now shooting air. You hear that? That's the air coming outside of the can. There must be a hole somewhere. I don't know where it would be. Somewhere. It stopped now. Okay, continue. Status update. He is now going back and forth with the can until it breaks. So we're gonna slow it down and let you see what's happening. It's kind of boring, honestly.
I'm gonna flatten it out a little more.
Back to time lapse. Alright, we're getting down to the last minutes of this can.
Yay!
So now try and like rip it open. So just like, this is how you should be breaking a silly string can open.
Oh,
probably.
wait, we got a little piece right there.
Don't try this at home, kids. So you're gonna follow the rip. No, wait, what are you doing?
I can't. You
Good
can't.
old-fashioned lemonade.
Here, hold this camera for me.
Good old-fashioned
Here we
lemonade.
go.
Got a little on you.
And that's what's inside of a silly string can, kids.
Yeah. Honestly, that doesn't feel too weird.
I'm not opening that up. Yeah, that's about it. Here, get off this thing.
It's the hammer. I know
Oh.
what that is. That it pumps it through so it can get there.
Yeah, so you got a straw, and you got your goop.
That
And,
good old-fashioned goop.
yep, that's about it, though.
But it's not really old-fashioned.
Ah, there you go. That's the answer to what's inside of a silly string can. Honestly, I thought there'd be more.
It's probably because we use it.
Yeah, that's true. And to answer your question, no, there's no like paint ball thing inside and all that. Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye.